Okay, so this is the item. This is uh, the vacuum cleaner. Okay, it's it's tap on the vacuum. Okay, not on the other side. In this side, I try to clean with it. Okay, it looks seems okay, but after a few seconds, it stop like this. I put it out, and this is make the same noise, the same action. It's not vacuum anything, and after a few seconds, this behavior is stopped and the item turn off. Even if I push it out one more, it doesn't do anything. This new item, I just opened the box and even make a review for my YouTube channel, and that's it. It's not seems okay. It's not good. Something is not okay with this. Push again. No, nothing. Also, this button is defective. I push a lot of items, a lot of times, and it seems like it's not working fine at all.